share ich wieder. Oh, sorry, yeah, I speak English again. I'll share the desktop again. And now we see we have again one, you've already seen it at Dominic's video. We have some apps on it and we link a query to it. So RESTful queries, we can link it to the page without mapping, without connecting it to an app at first. It's the first step. And then the second step is to connect parts of the response or the whole response to an image, to an app. For instance, I see there was a question in the chat. To Dominic, I assume, have you tried to also apply Google Resolve to select the data and place it into your tool, Dominic?
Nein, habe ich nicht. Vielleicht kannst du mir das schicken und ich kann das ausprobieren.
So, okay, so thanks for the question. Maybe we can talk a little bit at the discussion about it, what the possibilities are, how to combine the data. So, okay, so I'll show the map, but this is also a good segue to the fourth video. Maybe parts of it are answered here. So, so in this video, I go to a Codichase, which is a library I always use as a nice example because they present this IIIF link so nicely next to the book. You can just copy and paste it. And then if you paste it in a second tab, this is the JSON you get. And if you don't know how to work with JSON so much, this is quite cumbersome to do something with this data. And we're here again at the page. We create a new page, link query example. Go to data management, like where we've been already before, and we create a new RESTful query. So, okay, click on it. And then you see here get, you can also change to post method, maybe to do Sparkle queries. And you enter this query and you save it, you try it. There's a response, so it's working, the query is working, close it. And yeah, like I said, you just linked the query to the page. And now we would like to connect it to an app. So we go to simple image app. The default image is in Theory logo, and go to the data management again. This is the default data that has been generated. This is why there is a second query. And this app has one input, image URL, and it was mapped to this. But now we would like to map it to this query. So we choose here, click on map. And at the moment, so here you see the input of this app. And now you see the JSON sequences, canvases, and there's all the images of the book. Going through it a little bit quick. It's like IIIF standard. Many of you might know the structure, although it differs a little bit from institution to institution still. So I'm choosing now resources ID. Okay, so I chose this. So this input of this app is now mapped to this path in the JSON. Dominic has mapped the whole JSON to the data list app, which is even more convenient. But so you can have different ways how you map your the response of the query to the app input. So now we close and close and close, and now you do have the first page of the Ecodiges book that we already seen before. It has 16 pages. We can go to 13. Just 1 second. Need to. Oh yeah, this was not my. This was not my email. This was the email program I recorded in videos. It got me again. So no, I quit it in the video. Okay. So we're going to page 13, and then you can scroll through the pages. So it's really interactive. And Zeri realizes there's lots of pages and simplifies it for you to scroll through it. Yeah, so we do this. We do this with the comment app, but so you can also comment on the pages. But Olga will show this in detail. I added the comment to page 15, and then go to another page. Yeah, I'll let the video go, but I'll give it to Olga afterwards so that she can show her project. Now I see 2 comments, and I can click on them, and I come back to the 2 pages here. Okay, so we have learned how to link a query to the page and to map it to the app input. And